Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you the luxury condominium. It's called the Riviera Monaco. I'm Snoopy from Century 21. Follow me. So now we are inside the Riviera Monaco. As you can see, the luxury lobby. So in this condo, you don't feel too crowded. You have only 40 floors for 400 units. I'm gonna show you now the facilities. Follow me. So here you get a walking space if you want to walk or chill. You can see the luxury chandelier, nice decoration, very in details. This is important. So here you can also play snooker. It's pleasant. You can invite your friends or your family, play together and chill. Also, if you have kids, so here you get the kids room, so you can let your kids play. You can keep watching them by the swimming pool. They can play also video game here. So it's like pleasant for you. So here you got the beautiful swimming pool with the slide. You can see also the jacuzzi over there. Follow me. Oh, here you got the jacuzzi too. You can relax and chill, take the sun bath. Everything is beautiful, amazing. So the next I will show you the fitness and the beautiful swimming pool with jacuzzi and panoramic sea view. Follow me. So now we are on the 21st floor and I will show you the beautiful facilities, the beautiful fitness with the sea view, panoramic, and the swimming pool. So now we are here in the fitness. As you can see, they have a lot of equipment, high class, and look at the view, it's amazing. You get the full panoramic sea view. Look at this amazing swimming pool. You got city view, sea view, everything. You can chill here with your friends, enjoy the day. That's wonderful. Now we are on the 32nd floor. You get the relax zone. You can see, you can relax, enjoy with the view, take your coffee, eating, whatever. So now I'm gonna show you a very luxury room. Follow. So this unit is 42 square meter, beautiful decorated, full equipment. As you can see, you got a beautiful chandelier, wine cellar, beautiful washing machine, fully furnished with a microwave, and this is a plus. You got drawers to put your stuff. You got a beautiful long bathroom. As you can see, very nice decorated, beautiful details. Everything is luxury. Here you can come to the bedroom, beautiful furniture. You can join the bedroom to the living room with the huge balcony. As you can see, here you got the beautiful sea view. Also, you got city view at night with beautiful lights. You can see, enjoy the beautiful sea view and also this city view. This is a really quality of living, high class. Enjoy your day bring you some happiness in your life. And the price of this condo on foreigner name is only 4,680,000 baht. If you're interested about this condo, don't forget to contact us, Century 21 Pattaya. Thank you. See you.